Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 4-inch lift kit for the Toyota Tundra. Now this kit not only lifts the truck 4 inches, it's also going to level it front to rear. It's going to allow you to run a 35-inch tall tire, so let's take a look at some of the components. Up front here, we've got our lifted knuckle. Combine that with the drop cross members. That's going to make sure our control arm angles stay exactly where we want them. We're also going to lower the differential with provided brackets, and that's going to make sure that our CV axle is at an optimum angle. Now this truck's kit gets its lift from a strut spacer in the front, and also included are all the bracketry to drop the sway bar and the brake lines exactly where they need to be. Now out back, the kit's going to lift using a coil spring spacer. We've also included a track bar relocation bracket to make sure that rear end stays exactly where we want it. And finally, the additional lift is going to require an additional shock. We've added our extended N3 shocks. Now Rough Country offers a variety of lifting options for the Tundra, from an 1 3/4 leveling kit all the way up to a 6-inch lift kit. If an 1 3/4 isn't quite enough, but 6 might be too much, the 4 is going to be perfect. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.